and Arturo Vidal powers home the head. Into the box now, looking for Vidal! What a start from Barcelona! As Take Kubo steps up.
Little Messi going into the area now, and there is a second goal for Barca, and it's Martin Braithwaite pouncing on the loose ball.
And that is a memorable moment for him because it is his first goal in Laliga.
And that really would have shaken this game up. Ante Budimir hit it with power.
Into the area, and Braithwaite very nearly has a second, just wide.
For Araujo,
Who sprints free into the area. Jordi Alba with the finish. And is that goal number 3? It is. There's no offside flag. It's going to be checked because it must have been tight.
Who sprints free into the area. Jordi Alba with the finish. And is that goal number 3? It is. There's no offside.
Very composed finish, Chappie. Suarez with the...